Let's learn the difference between miss and lose. First, we will talk about miss. Miss is a verb. It is used in 3 different situations. First is when you're talking about being sad because you're not able to meet or see someone. For example, I miss my school friends. Another example is, ever since I moved to Canada, I miss my family a lot. We use miss when talking about any event or opportunity that we couldn't attend. For example, there was a network issue, so I missed my online classes. Another example is, I missed the concert last night because I wasn't feeling well. Now here I use the second form of miss because I'm talking about past actions. Third use of miss is with transportations. If you couldn't board a plane or you couldn't catch a bus, you would say, I missed the bus. An example sentence is, I missed the bus, so I got late for the office. Another example is, I got stuck in traffic, so I missed my flight to Mumbai. Here you need to remember that we never say I lost the bus or I lost the train or I lost the flight. The correct way to say is I missed the bus, I missed the flight, or I missed the train. Now let's look at where all we can use the word lose. First, we use it with objects that we cannot find. Here are some examples. I cannot find my keys. Maybe I lost them. I don't wear my favorite ring every day because I don't want to lose it. I couldn't complete my presentation because I lost all the files on my computer. Next, we use it when talking about someone that's gone from our life. For example, a friend of mine lost her parents in a car accident. Another example is, many families lost their loved ones during the second wave of COVID-19. Next, we use it when we couldn't win a game or a competition. First example is, I lost the friendly badminton match with one of my colleagues. Second example is, my husband was upset when India lost the match against England. So I hope now you know where all you can use the word lose and where all you can use the word miss. Don't forget to write a few example sentences in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.